Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make banana flour chutney. This is a very spicy and delicious side dish that best goes with idlis and dosas. Very quick and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of Urad Dhal and half teaspoon of Channa Dhal. Saute well for a few seconds. Then to this add 1 onion finely chopped, 5 dried red chillies and few curry leaves. Saute well until the onions are transparent. Now the onions are well done, so go ahead and add quarter cup of banana flour. I've already made a video on how to clean banana flour. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Mix it well for 2 minutes in medium flame. Finally add few chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Then off the flame and allow it to cool completely. It's been 5 minutes and the ingredients are cool now, so transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add quarter teaspoon of salt and quarter cup of water. Grind this to a fine paste. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl like this. Season the banana flour chutney with some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Now a delicious banana flour chutney is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some idlis or dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this banana flour chutney recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.